USA Pathway for International Doctors. The complete 2025 guide, from exams to residency and new alternative pathways. Every international doctor must start with ECFMG certification and USMLE exams. These steps are essential for your license to practice in the U.S. USMLE Step 1 tests your basic science knowledge. Prep thoroughly. This score is crucial for your future residency applications. USMLE Step 2 CK measures clinical knowledge. It's required for ECFMG certification and U.S. residency eligibility. USMLE Step 3 assesses your ability to practice unsupervised medicine. Success is key for state licensing and some visa options. Apply for U.S. residency programs through ERS. Highlight your achievements, clinical experience, and secure strong letters of recommendation. Residency interviews are your chance to make a strong impression. Prepare to discuss your qualifications and motivation clearly. Successful match day means your U.S. residency journey begins. Celebrate, but also prepare for onboarding requirements. After matching, complete hospital onboarding. Submit documents, attend orientation, and get familiar with new hospital protocols. Secure your state medical license by meeting residency and exam requirements. Each U.S. state has its own licensing process. New in 2024-25, several states now allow qualified IMGs to practice without repeating full residency via alternative licensing pathways. Choose your best visa, H-1B for specialty occupations, J-1 for exchange visitors, or O-1 for those with extraordinary ability. For long-term plans, explore green card options like EB-2 National Interest Waiver or EB-3 to gain permanent residency. Networking and U.S. clinical experience are vital. Attend conferences, build relationships, and stay updated with latest medical advancements. With preparation and persistence, your journey to practicing medicine in the USA can begin today. Your dream is within reach.